SCON Design India Private Ltd is a prominent firm specializing in boundary survey services in Marathali, Bangalore. With their expertise in the field, they have established themselves as a trusted name in providing accurate and reliable boundary survey solutions to their clients. The company understands the importance of boundary surveys in various construction and development projects, as they play a crucial role in defining property lines and ensuring legal compliance. When it comes to boundary survey, SCON Design India Private Ltd employs a team of experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and technologies. They utilize advanced equipment and software to conduct precise measurements and create detailed boundary maps. Their thorough approach ensures that all relevant factors, such as existing structures, easements, and encroachments, are taken into account during the survey process. This attention to detail enables them to provide comprehensive and accurate boundary survey reports to their clients. The boundary survey services offered by SCON Design India Private Ltd cater to various sectors, including residential, commercial, industrial, and governmental projects. Whether it is for land subdivision, property development, or legal disputes, their team can handle a wide range of surveying requirements. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and provide customized solutions that meet their expectations. Their dedication to delivering high-quality results has earned them a reputation for excellence in the industry. In addition to their expertise in boundary surveys, SCON Design India Private Ltd also offers a range of related services. These include topographic surveys, construction surveys, and GIS mapping. By offering a comprehensive suite of surveying services, they are able to assist their clients throughout the entire project lifecycle. Their commitment to delivering exceptional service and reliable results sets them apart from their competitors. Located in Marathali, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is strategically positioned to serve clients in and around the area. They have successfully completed numerous projects in the region, earning the trust and loyalty of their clients. Their team is familiar with the local regulations and requirements, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in accordance with the applicable laws. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of boundary survey services in Marathali, Bangalore. With their expertise, advanced technology, and commitment to client satisfaction, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Whether it is for property development or legal disputes, their team of professionals can deliver accurate and comprehensive boundary survey solutions. Clients can rely on SCON Design India Private Ltd for all their surveying needs.